So today I'm gonna talk about the string slicing, right? So what is that? It is all about extracting a specific part of a string, or we can say like that sub portion of a string, right? So this is the syntax of what the string slicing, right? Start index and then we will give the stop index, right? Now I'm going to solve the 4 or 3 examples. You will understand fully. No worry about it, right? So suppose we have a text, right? This is the variable we are going to store Python word, right? So if you want to extract the some characters of Python, then we will use the what the string slicing, right? Then we will use, suppose we are finding the pyth only, pyth, right? Then we will use the what 0 colon in 4. And index, stop index is always what? Stop index is excluded, right? So you will print on the screen pyth, right? So if you don't want to give the starting index, then it will select the starting index by default, right? So suppose uh, colon and 4, right? So it will give the same output, right? So this is the output. And now suppose we are going to omit the and, right? So we will give the 3 and then after we will use the no stop indexing, right? So HON, it means that it will start from 3, P is 1, P is 0, sorry, Y is 1, T is 2 and H is 3. Then HON means there is no end stop index. That is why it will select the HON, right? So if you want to copy the full word, then you will use the what, the text, then we will use only colon, right? It will copy the whole word, right? Python. So this is all about the string slicing, right? So in the next video we will talk about start colon stop, then after we will use the step, right? So that is also part of a string slicing, right? So thank you very much. If you are new on my